This is we're together.
We're together.
This is we know we look good.
Yeah, that's the one.
Party! Oh, God bless you.
We're live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is so exciting. We have been celebrating prom season on Access Live, and we have two remarkable young ladies who are deserving of the ultimate prom makeover. We've been teasing the big reveal all morning. We're with their sister and a teacher. This is so exciting.
It's going to be good. We've got style expert Melissa Chataigne, who came here to help us get them ready. Isabel and Victoria, their stories are incredible.
So compelling. Isabel does so much for the community. She's such a deserving girl. She takes care of everyone, and now it's time that we take care of her.
Yeah.
And her sister's right here on the end. Are we ready for the big reveal?
Are we ready?
Are we ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay, here we go. Come on out, Isabel.
Boom, boom.
I love this color.
Isn't this amazing? So, her look is inspired by Demi Lovato. She loves this curl look. We did the hair, 901, hooked us up with the hair. And believe it or not, that's a two-piece look for $39 from Macy's Backstage.
Wow. Melissa, I love
Amazing.
Tell me about the color. I love the coral.
The coral, the thing is, you really want to do a pop of color. Prom is the time when you can step up, step out, and have fun. Look at those amazing red shoes that we found, and bag, both from Mina. And the accessories, she looks phenomenal.
Oh, shoot.
How do you feel?
Wait, she hasn't seen herself. Put her up in the mirror.
Oh, she hasn't seen it?
Right here. Show her what she looks like. Sister, what do we think?
I am so happy. I've tried for so long, tried to get her to put makeup on her just to glam up, but oh my God.
Look at her
This is
now.
her stepping into her power, ready to show up for prom. Love it.
Come
You
on
did it,
into the
girl.
balloon. Sister, jump down there, get a prom picture and our balloon thing over here. Oh, this is so great.
So are you ready to see the next one?
Okay, team, are we ready to see?
You ready to see Victoria?
The next makeup. So excited.
All right, I think it's almost time.
Okay, there she is. That's the before right there. Okay, wait, let it pause because I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Come on out.
Come on out.
Victoria.
So once again, Demi Lovato is known for that plunging neckline. Really want to show off her shoulders. Look at how beautiful she is. And because she's a gorgeous woman with curves, accenting her waist is key. And the statement earrings really make her shine.
Oh, Melissa, you did so great.
Yeah,
Let's go to your teacher. How do you think she looks?
She looks beautiful. She's a phenomenal young woman, and I feel like this represents, she looks like a princess.
Princess, queen.
And she looks like she's ready for the Met Ball. Look at that hair.
Okay, wait. You want to see it, Victoria?
Okay, here we go.
You
Look
ready?
right here.
Right here.
Oh.
Down, Leslie.
And I love the hair. A lot of times girls want to take out their hair and go straight. Really owning the curl is essential for prom. Being you. That's it.
Curls
Confident
popping.
in you.
Come on over and get your prom photo. Sweet teacher, we love our teachers, Julie. Thank you so much for all that you do. Come down and let's get a group photo. I love this. And a special thanks to 901 Salon, Katie Cartwright, and Chantel Lewis for making our deserving students. Y'all are killing me. We're right back after these messages from your local station. Woo!
Yeah. Prom, 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 prom.
Oh, what a great day for our prom day. I hope you had fun.
Yeah.
Special thank you to my prom date a gazillion years ago, Brett Bear, who joined us from D.C.
That photo.
And look at Scott's, the blurry photo.
You know, is it me? Is it not me?
Filled in. Who knows?
Who knows?
I hope y'all feel beautiful. You're so beautiful inside and out.
Inside
Thanks for
and
joining us. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Happy Monday.